I was going to get a screen protector or get this case because they're around the same price, so I decided to get this LED wallet cover for my Galaxy S10 Plus. The good thing about this case is it's by Samsung, so it's going to work seamlessly with your phone. It's got a couple of cool features besides it just being a cover. So it has an interior pockets which you can store your credit card or ID. I can put a max of 2 cards in there. And then it's got LED icons in front of the cover, which you can set specific icons for specific callers. So if you have a wife or a special one, you can have a heart LED icon light up when they call or text. And the front cover itself is also touch sensitive, so you can pause and play your music straight from the cover itself. And you can even answer calls so you don't, collect fingerprints on your screen. Taking a look around the case, it's got a dark gray finish and I do think it looks nice. Also, the case feels like it's made out of like a denim type of material, which gives it a sophisticated look and feel. Also, it doesn't attract a lot of fingerprints. Actually, it doesn't attract any fingerprints. So that is a big plus. And then on the backside, we have the Samsung logo. And then there's also a pretty big lip that's going to be protecting the 3 cameras. This case provides good amount of protection. However, it doesn't provide a rugged protection like an OtterBox case. Like the cover on the front, it easily opens, so when you drop your phone, the screen has no chance. There's no magnetic latch holding the cover. Wish there was, but it's a part of this nice looking cover. And then, overall, it does provide a good amount of protection though. Putting the phone in and out of the case is very simple. It's easier than a lot of other cases that I've used. When you put the case on the phone, it's going to tell you to download this LED icon app, which is going to let you customize the LEDs on the front of the case. The only downside I have with this case is that it's like a cover, so I have to flip it open, and it makes it kind of hard to use it with one hand. Other than that, it's a good case. It provides good amount of protection. Also, it works with wireless charging. And yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Peace.